So Hilbilby fermented food, and the origin of Fire Tonic was essentially from my wife playing around with various different fermented foods and removing some things from our diet because a couple of our boys are in the spectrum and we've got 4 boys. I had a look at what she was doing and I thought, that looks like a bit of fun. So I started playing around and eventually came up with our version of Master Tonic, which we called Fire Tonic, and showed it to a manager of a local delicatessen and said, you could sell that in a shop. So I had my Castle-esque moment and some validation. Thought, let's run with it. Hi, I'm Mark and welcome to Hilbilby HQ. This is where all the magic happens. This is where we make Fire Tonic.
Dude, you're a natural.
I started fermenting everything and I had to narrow it down to like 1 or 2 things. So we thought Fire Tonic was the thing to run with. And we started making it in 25 litre demijohns, and that was a particular shape which made it difficult. So then we moved to buckets, and now we're doing it in 1,000 litre stainless steel tubs in our Hilbilby HQ, all from originally being in our lounge room.
As soon as you get in here, you smell the fermentation. So nice.
Stick your head in there and have a whiff of that.
Wow. That's like, it almost burns. It's like
The philosophy behind the product is to create real food options, being able to access real food easily that you don't have to necessarily make yourself. Two-ended, no problems. So that vinegar, do you want to taste the finished product of what that vinegar is like? Because it's so strong, it's not diluted and it's not dead, it's not a dead vinegar, it's a live vinegar, it's still got the mother in it.
Oh, wow, it is strong.
Tastes
So
good.
nice. Mark sent us away with all these goodies. Check it out, I'm super stoked. I'm really excited to try the red wine vinegar. See you, Mark.
See you later, guys. Safe travels. Thanks for calling in. All done. It's good.
Total natural. Love it.